Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled carrots and radish. Prepare equal parts vinegar and water, add salt and sugar, and slice vegetables thin. Start by sterilizing jars and layering vegetables with spices like mustard seed and chili flakes. Pour hot brine over vegetables, seal jars, and let them rest at room temperature until cooled. Taste after 24 hours and refrigerate for longer crispness. This method keeps crunch and bright flavor. In this video, I will show how to make pickled carrots and radish. Measure vinegar and water precisely, then dissolve salt and sugar in hot brine to ensure even seasoning. Slice carrots and radish into matchsticks or coins for quick and uniform pickling. Pack vegetables snugly into sterilized jars with spices like bay leaf, peppercorns, and dill. Pour brine hot, leaving headspace, then seal jars and cool before refrigerating to set flavors. In this video, I will show how to make pickled carrots and radish. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling crisp after market runs. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pickled carrots and radish. Start by sterilizing jars and preparing a hot brine so it pours easily into jars without cooling. Pack vegetables and spices tightly, then pour brine to cover completely and seal while warm to reduce air pockets. Let jars sit at room temperature until cooled to help flavors marry, then move to the fridge and enjoy quick pickles in about 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.